Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Georgia and I make lifestyle videos, weekly vlogs, and also a lot of different creative crafts and travel as well. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited you've decided to join me. And if you haven't already guessed from my ears, it's going to be Disney related. If you don't know already, I am heading to Walt Disney World for the first time in January and I am so excited. I am such a Disney lover. I'm heading there with my boyfriend Nish. So, leading up to the trip, I have been buying a few things on Vinted and also have been looking into different crafts that I could do along the way to help me save a little bit of money once I get to the parks. I've been looking on Pinterest and other places at a few fun creative things that I could do in the lead up to my trip to have fun and help me get excited, and also hopefully allow me to save a little bit of money in the parks, because I do want to dress up, I do want to get excited, but I also know how much things cost in the parks and it's already an expensive trip as it is. So today I wanted to try and do some DIY Mickey ears. So I've bought some plain black ones here. So we're going to do some Minnie, some Mickey, and I've bought a bunch of other sort of fun decorative craft supplies. I'll take you through them now. And I just thought this would be a really fun way to be able to mix up my outfits and have a new accessory without breaking the bank and spending however much they cost in the parks nowadays. I can't keep track. And also, these ones are super lightweight, have a really flexible band, because I've heard that in the parks, sometimes, although they're amazing quality, the headband can be a bit tight and can give some people a bit of a headache. So I thought this would be a fun way to get a bit creative and share the process with you so you can see how it's done and if you want to do it yourself and save a little bit of money as well. So let me show you a few of the bits that I have bought today to decorate the ears. I bought a pack of these gorgeous sequin bows. So I've got purple, blue, pink, white and red as well, classic. And then I also bought these pearl bows as well. I thought those were so gorgeous. I know bows are very in at the moment, and pearls also, so I thought those would be really cute just to do sort of like one on each. I've also got some of these gorgeous quilted stars. I thought those could be really fun. I've also got, this is a little different, but I thought why not, whilst we're experimenting and doing a few, these gorgeous flowers with little diamantes in the middle as well. And then I've also bought a pack, this is going to be a little tricky to show you, but of these little pearl shapes. Bows, stars, there's hearts, there's circles. It came with a bunch of different ones. With these circles, I'm going to try and make some cute little Mickey shapes as well. And then last but not least, if you know me at all, you know how much I love a disco ball. So I bought a pack of lots of different sizes of disco balls. So I can stick these on here and make some disco Mickeys. And I just bought a plain headband that I can stick that onto, because if that is not the most Georgia Disney accessory at the moment, I don't know what is. So I'm extra excited for that one. Oh, and yeah, last thing I have, which is essential, is just some super glue to make sure they all stay on and nothing's falling off as we're going around the parks and going on the rides. So let me get set up and decide which one we're going to start with, and then I'll set you up so you can follow along with the process, and I'll be sure to show you the final products as well. And I'll try and link as many of the products I got down below so you can buy them and recreate yourself as well. Okay, wish me luck. Let's get started with just a plain pair of ears. And let's start easy. So how about we start with these gorgeous pearl bows? Okay, so what I'm thinking is we place them here and we can stick here and here. And then these can go either side. Hopefully they won't fall on my forehead. Maybe I should have got them a little smaller, but let's go for it and try. So we'll take our super glue. We'll start with one and pop a good amount of glue on here, and then also I'm going to put a little dot on the first few the beads of the bow, so hopefully they will stay nice and secure. Let's get this on, this first one. Okay, try not to get any super glue on your fingers. Let's try the other one. I'm going to move this to the side so it can dry properly, and we'll leave that there. Okay, so now while those are drying, I thought I would do another one. So we'll start with the plain Mickey ears again, and I thought for this one we could try and utilise these gorgeous flowers with the diamantes in the middle. And I'm a little bit torn whether to go with flowers along the headband like this, which I think is quite cute, like that, or do sort of like a scattered approach, like sort of this maybe. So I'm trying to decide which one I prefer. I think I'm swaying towards this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go for it and start gluing. So I think I'll do the flowers first and then the bow afterwards. So let me just place these so they're symmetrical, or as symmetrical as possible. Okay, one side done. Now we've just got to make the other one look similar. Okay, so now we'll attach the bow. Just get some glue on there, Don't want to do too much on the side, just depending on where we place it. A little glue here, so then wherever it gets attached. I think I've just got to be a little patient with the glue, just so it dries as much as possible. Give those one final squish and a pinch to the top as well. And there are those. I'm going to leave those to the side to dry as well. Okay, so next up, I'm thinking, sorry, I've already started having a play, but it's quite intricate, so I've left it here. What I'm thinking is these silver sort of quilted stars, and thinking 3 of the big ones, and then using these little diamante ones on here to sort of fill the space. And originally I was thinking classic red, but I was thinking this could be kind of cute, like spacey themed. So initially I was thinking the purple, and I was like, okay, that's kind of cute. But then I tried the blue, and this just, I don't know, kind of worked for me. So I'm just gonna pull out a few more of these stars. How many were on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. I feel like odd numbers generally tend to work. So, okay, maybe I'll use this as a template and I'll start. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm usually such an overthinker, but it's kind of nice just to go for something and do a little bit of a creative project and not think too much. Because I bought a bunch of ears. I think I got 6 in total. It's kind of nice to just improvise and just sort of go for it a little with these things. Okay, let's stick these big ones first. Okay, there we go. Cute! Okay, I'm gonna let these dry a little first, and then I will stick on this bow. Okay, I've just thought of one more thing that would be so cute, and I feel like this star on the bow just really brings it together. So I'm just gonna stick this on here, little glue on there. We'll do it point upwards. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love them. Okay, let's leave her to dry and we can move on to the next. Are we on to these little pearl shapes here? This one I feel like is going to be a little intricate, but I'm excited. Okay, so we've got some options here. We've got little bows, so we could do, I think we've only got one moon, so I'm thinking maybe not, but I'm thinking it could be cute if we did a little mixture of shapes and then put together some sort of like Mickey shape within. Okay, I'm gonna have a think about it and try and place it in the right place. This took me a while, a nice little play with them. I'm gonna do the circles into a little Mickey shape, a couple of the other shapes, and then I think we'll go with a pink bow. So let's get these stuck down. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave those to dry as well. And then we're onto the disco balls, which I'm a bit nervous about, but I'm excited about them too. Hello, and I'm back. It is the next day, but I managed to go and grab some cocktail sticks, which I think will help me with the Disco Mickey headband. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, grab your cocktail stick and chop it in half. Then with the blunt end, poke it into the base of your disco ball so it creates a hole. Then make sure that they fit in evenly so it looks like the perfect Mickey. Super glue the blunt end and put it back in your stick, and then super glue the other end and poke it in the hole you created in the larger one. You've got a cute little Mickey. Then do this again, so you've got two. And then I just placed some additional super glue around the bases so they were secure. I used an existing pair of Mickey ears to place the disco balls so they were even, put a bunch of super glue on the base and then held them until they were secure. And they ended up like this. So, so cute. So that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will put as many of the items linked in the description as possible so you can go and check those out. Also, let me know in the description which of those that I made today was your favourite. Was it the blue bow with the stars, flowers with the white bow, the pearl shapes, the pearl bows, or the disco ball Mickeys? Let me know. I don't think I can pick a favourite at the moment. I really do like them all. I'm going to be taking them all with me to Florida in January. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you want to see more, please do subscribe and like the video as well, because there's going to be more Disney content coming. The vlogs of my Disney run, obviously the trip. So make sure you subscribe so you get notified of all of the future videos coming out. And I'll be back with another video very soon.